Hey there, investors. Jim Cramer here, and let's talk Alibaba. This company is not just another player in the e-commerce space. It's a titan, a behemoth with a financial backbone that is the envy of many. This Chinese e-commerce giant is sitting on a mountain of cash. We're talking about a financial reserve that can rival the GDP of some small countries. We're talking billions and billions of dollars in reserves. This isn't just a rainy day fund. It's a war chest that allows Alibaba to maneuver through any economic climate. This financial strength is like a fortress, protecting Alibaba from economic storms. Imagine a medieval stronghold, impenetrable and steadfast, standing tall against any adversary. It gives them the power to innovate, expand, and weather any challenge. With such a robust financial foundation, Alibaba can invest in cutting-edge technologies, explore new markets, and continuously evolve. Think about it. A company with this much cash isn't going anywhere. It's like having a safety net that not only catches you when you fall, but also propels you back up. It's a sign of stability and a huge advantage in the fast-paced world of tech. In an industry where change is the only constant, having a solid financial base is a game changer. Alibaba can invest in new ventures, buy back stock, or simply wait out market downturns. This flexibility is invaluable, allowing them to make strategic decisions that can yield high returns. That's the beauty of a cash-rich company. They have the freedom to seize opportunities as they arise, without being hampered by financial constraints. Now you might be thinking, Jim, what does this mean for me? Well, let me break it down for you. Here's the deal. Alibaba's financial strength translates into investor confidence. When a company is this financially secure, it instills a sense of trust and reliability among investors. It reduces risk and makes their stock a more attractive investment. Investors are always looking for stability, and Alibaba offers just that. This isn't some fly-by-night operation. Alibaba has a proven track record of success and a reputation that speaks volumes. Alibaba is a financial powerhouse with the resources to thrive for decades to come. Their financial muscle allows them to not just survive, but to dominate. So when you see Alibaba's massive cash reserves, don't just gloss over them. Understand that this is a key factor in their long-term strategy. This is a key indicator of their long-term stability and potential for growth. It's not just about the present, it's about securing the future. Remember, we're looking for stocks that can make us money, and Alibaba has all the right ingredients. Stay tuned for more insights and keep your investment strategies sharp. Now, let's talk about Alibaba's stock. This is a topic that has been on the minds of many investors lately, and for good reason. Here's the bottom line. It's undervalued. Plain and simple. But let's dive deeper into why this is the case and what it means for potential investors. This is a company with a dominant market share in China, a rapidly growing cloud business, and a track record of innovation. Alibaba isn't just an e-commerce giant. It's a tech powerhouse with diverse revenue streams. Yet, the market isn't giving them the credit they deserve. Despite their impressive portfolio and consistent growth, the stock price doesn't reflect the company's true value.
Look at the numbers. They tell a compelling story. Alibaba's stock is trading at a historically low multiple. This is significant because it indicates that the market is undervaluing the company's future earnings potential. This means you're getting more bang for your buck. Essentially, you're buying into a company with strong fundamentals at a price that doesn't match its intrinsic value. You're buying into a high-quality company at a discounted price. It's an opportunity that savvy investors recognize and capitalize on. It's like getting a blue-chip stock on sale. These opportunities don't come around often, and when they do, they can be highly rewarding.
But why is Alibaba undervalued? This is a question that requires a closer look at the broader market conditions and specific challenges facing the company. Some investors are worried about the Chinese government's regulations on tech companies. These regulatory concerns have created a cloud of uncertainty around Alibaba and other Chinese tech giants. Others are concerned about the economic slowdown in China. While it's true that China's growth has decelerated, it's important to put this into perspective. But here's the thing. These fears are overblown. Alibaba has shown resilience and adaptability in the face of regulatory and economic challenges. Alibaba has already proven its ability to navigate the Chinese regulatory landscape. They have a history of compliance and strategic adjustments that have allowed them to thrive. They're working closely with the government and adapting their business practices. This proactive approach has helped them mitigate risks and continue their growth trajectory. As for the economic slowdown, it's important to remember that China is still growing, just at a slower pace. The country's economy remains one of the largest and most dynamic in the world. And guess what? Alibaba is well positioned to benefit from that growth. Their diverse business model and strategic initiatives ensure they can capitalize on opportunities in various sectors. In conclusion, Alibaba's current undervaluation presents a unique opportunity for investors. By looking beyond the immediate concerns and focusing on the company's long-term potential, it's clear that Alibaba is a stock worth considering. So, if you're looking for a high-quality investment at a bargain price, Alibaba might just be the stock for you. Let's face it, the past year has been tough on the markets. The financial landscape has been riddled with uncertainty and unpredictability, leaving investors and companies alike scrambling to adapt. Inflation, interest rate hikes, and geopolitical uncertainty have created a lot of volatility. These factors have combined to create a perfect storm of economic challenges that have tested the resilience of even the most robust businesses. But even in these challenging times, Alibaba has shown its resilience. The company has managed to navigate through these turbulent waters with a steady hand, demonstrating its ability to adapt and thrive. Their latest earnings report was solid, with revenue and profits beating expectations. This performance is a testament to Alibaba's strategic planning and execution, which have enabled it to outperform in a difficult environment.
How did they do it? By focusing on what they do best, e-commerce and cloud computing. These core areas have been the backbone of Alibaba's success, driving growth and innovation. These two segments are the engines of Alibaba's growth, and they continue to fire on all cylinders. The company's e-commerce platform remains a dominant force in the market, while its cloud computing division is rapidly expanding and gaining market share.
Now, some people might point to Alibaba's slowing growth rate. It's true that the company is not growing as rapidly as it once did, but this is a natural progression for a business of its size and maturity. But here's the thing, they're still growing at a faster pace than most other companies. Even with a deceleration in growth, Alibaba's expansion rate remains impressive and outpaces many of its competitors, and their massive scale gives them a significant competitive advantage. The sheer size of Alibaba's operations allows it to leverage economies of scale, reduce costs, and enhance efficiency. They have the resources and the reach to weather any storm. With a vast network of logistics and a global presence, Alibaba is well positioned to handle market fluctuations and continue its growth trajectory. So, don't be scared off by the short-term market noise. While the market may be volatile in the short term, Alibaba's long-term prospects remain strong. Alibaba is a long-term winner. The company's consistent performance and strategic vision make it a solid investment for those looking to the future. They have a proven business model, a strong management team, and a clear vision for the future. They're built to last. With a foundation of innovation and resilience, Alibaba is poised to continue its success for years to come.